What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where Ferrari may have to change its name because of some legal issues with the Ferrari Portosangue. Yeah, that's right. The praising horse that is now going to be coming out with an SUV, a very controversial SUV that we have not yet seen a full version of yet, has a legal battle broken out between a small sports charity for the Portosangue name. Now, with that said, one of the most famous brands in Italy, Ferrari, has proceedings against the non-profit Portosangue Foundation. Yes, that's the name of their SUV, and that's also the name of a sports non-profit. Now, that claims that it does not have a sufficient commercial use of the name to justify exclusivity. Thoroughbred literally means pure blood, and it was chosen by the charity to reflect its electoral work against doping in sport. Now, it is also the name of the first Ferrari SUV, which should go on sale in 2022. You can see where the problem lies here. The foundation said it registered the word as a clothing and other product brand in 2013 and sought talks with the automaker, but blocked Ferrari's registration of the brand in Europe when an agreement could not be reached. Now, a lawyer representing the non-profit said, "This case is like David against Goliath." Now, the brand has been in constant use by the foundation, he said, also in a partnership for the production of sneakers and clothing signed with Adidas sponsored the institution. Now, Ferrari says the registration should be removed due to the lack of use in the past 5 years. But the nonprofit says, "We have a lot of evidence of our business." Now, the case will be heard by a court on March 5th. A Ferrari spokesman said the company does not comment on the pending allegations. Now, a running coach and former professional runner who founded the charity said, "It's an injustice. Why should we give up our identity? They should have checked first. We are small, so it is difficult to defend our brand, but we are doing an important job." Now, what do you guys think? It's literally David against Goliath. You're talking about the biggest automaker in the world, Ferrari, taking on this small nonprofit. Who is in the wrong here? Is it Ferrari that's in the wrong because they knew that this name was trademarked, but they kind of went after it anyways? Or is the nonprofit in the wrong because they don't do much business out there anymore, so they say, and now they're just holding on to that name? This may be a battle for the ages because the first Ferrari SUV is going to be big, and it has this name attached to it. So now, do you change the name? Do you cancel the whole project? Which I don't think they will because of a lot of expensive R&D. But then what do they call the Ferrari SUV if they cannot get the Portosangue name? And if you were this nonprofit, how much would Ferrari have to pay you in order to give up your name and brand? I want to know down in the comments below. Who do you think is wrong and how much would they have to pay you to take that name? Now, with that said, if you guys enjoyed the video today, make sure you give a thumbs up to the video. Giving it a thumbs up helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it and get a bigger discussion on if Ferrari has to change their name for the Portosangue SUV. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for PayPal in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also check out the Patreon subscription or the Ron's Rise merch where you can get t-shirts, stickers, coffee mugs, everything like that. You can also check out the social media where I post Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Ferrari, Maserati, Alfa Romeo news that you guys can always check out that doesn't always make it to the channel. Now, with that said, you guys subscribe, click that notification bell so you get these videos straight to your inbox, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.